To get started, you will need the following materials: 7 pallets that measure 40 by 48 inches, 1 2x4 by 10, 16 3-inch screws, and a drill. Pallets are made with 2x4s and wood pallets. When assembling the composter, make sure the 2x4 boards are running vertically and the panels are running horizontally. Start by joining 3 pallets together to form the back wall. You want to connect the pallets by screwing together the 2x4s. Make sure the pallets are level with each other when joining. After the back wall is assembled, attach pallets in the area where the back wall pallets join together and at the ends. Attach the 10-foot 2x4 to the bottom front of the composter. Finally, cover your composter in some sort of way with an impermeable material to prevent rain from adding too much moisture that will remove oxygen from the compost and cause leachate runoff that can contaminate water supplies.